Okay, so today we're gonna look at a conversion from the stock carbs to a Chinese set called OEMSTD. And there's some challenges here with that. For starters, the carbs make the thing run a lot better than it ever has. This is a CB160, a 1965. And but you can tell the difference in the quality of the material just by the color, between the color difference between the stock manifold and the cheap material used in the Chinese carb. And the big challenge is the throttle cable doesn't work with these stock. The stock throttle cable does not work with these Chinese carburetors, and I think the problem is due to this extra nut. If you look on the left side here, this is the new cap for the carburetor, and there's the 3.5 millimeter nut that goes underneath it, a lock nut, which is good, but it makes the cable too short and it won't idle. And that's the big problem, because the slide won't go down all the way in the carburetor. And I verified that the carbs do idle. It's not a manufacturing defect. However, regarding the slides, I'll show you over here. The new one is on the left and the old OEM one is on the right, and you can tell the difference in the quality. The OEM one is plated and much better. I haven't run it long enough to see, but there's a little challenge with how tight they are in the carb body. So we'll see how that is, and that's a big challenge, because the only way to shut this engine down is with the key on the left. It doesn't have a kill switch on the handlebar, which is a little bit of a concern, because you don't want your throttle sticking. So we're going to try it with these without this nut here on this new cap, and if you look, that's about the same height as the OEM one. So we'll give that a try and see if that works.